What Jacinda Ardern, Agnes Bingwahoo and Indira Noi had and led with was leadership presence. They looked and sounded and felt like the experts that they are. And then they communicated that to the world around them. I am sure that you are now thinking, well, it's all right for them, for they were smart, they have huge teams, and they were on a world stage. Some of you might even be thinking, well, they were just born like that, they're lucky. I'm sorry, but you are wrong. They didn't get to where they are or were and suddenly develop leadership presence. They certainly didn't wake up and just have access to leadership presence overnight. And they definitely weren't born with it. Great leaders, great speakers, great communicators, they are not born, they are made through trial and error and effort. Leadership presence is a skill. Just like any other, that skill can be developed and honed once you know what it is and how to deploy it. So, with that in mind, we would love to invite you into our next masterclass session where we're going to uncover the secrets of leadership presence so that you can start looking, feeling, and sounding like the expert that you know yourself to be. So, come and join us for our next masterclass, How to Develop Leadership Presence. This training is right for you if you are striving for that coveted senior level leadership position. You know you've got the right skills, but it still remains elusive. If you're tired of not receiving the recognition and respect you deserve, this is training for you. If you are constantly overworking, over-justifying and perfecting your ideas, only to find that the praise and promotion you want elude you. If you're feeling like this leadership is an exhausting and unrewarding journey, this training is for you. The leadership presence may be the missing key for you. It's not that you don't have it, it's just not being deployed where it matters most. So join us for an enlightening 3-hour workshop split over 3 days, and we'll delve into the essential aspects of leadership presence to help you elevate your leadership approach. In these sessions, we're going to cover identifying your barriers to executive presence. So work out what's hindering you from making a meaningful impact so you can remove them and avoid slowing down your career progression. We'll look at the 3 pillars of executive presence. So you're going to gain insights onto those fundamental pillars so you can strategically leverage what's already working for you for faster results. You'll have a personal heat map of all of your EP skills so that you can focus on where you're going to leverage and where you're going to work. You're going to have strategies to enhance your visibility and your credibility. So we'll give you effective techniques to amplify your presence, both in your professional and your personal life. So you can enjoy success, not just now, success now, not at some later unspecified date. We take a very pragmatic approach, and we want you to leave the workshop knowing how to apply your new skills. So you're going to have an opportunity to receive personal coaching from me on how to translate this new knowledge into your daily practice of leadership. Don't let your hard work go unnoticed any longer. Come to the masterclass and help us elevate your leadership potential and develop your executive presence so that it's going to set you on the path to recognition and the promotion that you genuinely deserve. I hope that you will join us. Take care, and we'll speak really soon. Bye for now.